You're learning at the moment, the Scorpio, and maybe I should say you're getting better at this because you've been learning this for a long time in your life, how to bring more of your attention to what you love and further away from what you don't love. Here's the thing, you can call it a secret, you can call it magic, call it whatever it is that you want. At the end of the day, if you focus on what you love, you have access to an energy, which is a feeling that is very different to operate from over if you focus on what you don't love. If you focus on what you don't love, the vibration is a lot lower. The energy in the space that you operate from feels like struggle, feels like, there's another word here, I don't remember the word, but it's a struggle. And it makes life feel a lot darker and heavier. Sure, there's a whole world out there. Maybe there's lots of things that feel dark and heavy and so on and so forth. You don't have to plug into them all. In fact, I would suggest that you unplug from all of them. They have nothing to do with you. It's like if you watch the news every day and you look at everything that's going on around you in the world, it's going to start to really bring you down. It's almost like you keep watching the news, just as an example, and then you walk away feeling really low and down. Turn it off. You don't have to know every single detail of all the world events that the news is presenting, most of which we all know isn't real anyway, in terms of the way they present it. But you don't have to do that. So what you're getting better at now is recognizing, when I focus on what I love, this is what I have access to. This is the energy and the space that I have access to. When I focus on what I don't love, then this is the energy and space that I can access and use. It's up to me.